Good morning, year 3, and welcome to your maths lesson for today. We are going to be calculating perimeter, which I know that you have been looking at with Mr. Crean yesterday. So, what is perimeter and how do we measure it? Hopefully you already know this answer, but the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape. To work out the perimeter, we add up the lengths of all of the sides. So, how can we calculate the perimeter of a shape? So the easiest way to calculate the perimeter of a shape is to measure the sides and use repeated addition all the way around the shape. For example, if we look at this rectangle, we have one long side which is 6 centimetres. Now, using our knowledge on 2D shapes, we know that if this long side is 6 centimetres, then it's also the same for the bottom side. So we have 2 lots of 6 centimetres, and whilst looking at the short side, we know that that is 1 centimetre, which means that the other side is also 1 centimetre, which we can then add together as well. So we have 6 centimetres, add 6 centimetres, add 1, add 1. And then when we add them all together, 6 and 6 we already know makes 12, add the 2 ones makes 14 centimetres. The perimeter of this rectangle is 14 centimetres. If you want to draw it, pause the video, draw it out so you can see it for yourself. So, what different methods can you use to work out the perimeter? So, if you have only the width and the height, then you can easily find out all 4 sides. 2 sides are each equal to the height, and the other 2 sides are equal to the width. For example, looking at this shape, which is what I have already explained. So, looking at this side of the shape, then we know that if the bottom half is 12 centimetres, then we can just times it by 2, because it's 2 lines that are the same length. 12 times by 2 is 24 centimetres. Looking at this side of the shape, which is 7 centimetres, again, the other side is the same, so we can just times it by 2 again, which is 14. Then I can add the 24 and the 14 centimetres to make 38. So whereas before, for the rectangle, we were using repeated addition, for this method, we have used our times table knowledge and our addition knowledge as well. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 38 centimetres, and it's important that we put the centimetres at the end so we know exactly what we are measuring in. Now, your task, which I would like you to do, is work out the length of the missing side, okay? Now, what it's given you is the long side, which is 5 centimetres. Now, I'm going to give you a clue. If this side is 5 centimetres, this side is also 5 centimetres. They've also given you another clue. They've told you the perimeter of the whole shape. Okay, so what you may need to do is work out the 2 long sides, take it away from the whole perimeter number, which is 16 centimetres, and work out what you have left to work out what the sides of this shape is going to be. This is quite tricky. So if you have any queries, message us on Dojo and me and Mr. Cream will get back to you. But have a go yourself, okay? And then if you really get stuck, we will help you, okay? It's going to take a lot of figuring out, and this is on your paper, which we gave out as well, okay? So have a lovely day. It's not a very long lesson today. It's all about you figuring out the perimeter of a shape. So thank you.